That head going fast, ain't it? You see her tail?
Is it going?
Goodness, girl. Goodness. And to think she started off on 2 ounces.
Look at that little tail.
I see it. Where's your... Wipe your face off. Goodness, give me a kiss. Good stuff. You gonna turn your butt around so I can wipe it? I turn around. Talk to me. You gonna talk to me? Turn around so I can wipe your butt. Turn around. Turn around, poo butt. She knows this routine. It's too funny. Alright. Nothing yet. Alright, we'll wait on the next one. Now watch this. Let's see if I can't get it. Come on, Tinker. Come on. Come. You want to come on, Mama? Oh, no, pee break. That's why I leave that blanket there. I gotta wash it. Did she take off on this? Come here. Can I have some more sugar? Any other time she's all over me. It's just you're in the house. And I ain't kidding. She stays up my butt. She is a mess.
She's scared.
What Daddy think I done got rid of her?
Oh no. He knew it. She's peeing again.
She does. She'll pee on that. I have to. I put her in washing that about every other day. But she ain't been sleeping back there.